Hi guys, I'm Sinead and today I'm going to review the new Sassoon Venezia 2400 AC Professional Dryer. Now this is an amazing hairdryer. This is pretty much my dream hairdryer, and when I got this I was just amazed with the power of the drying. Now this is a lightweight AC hairdryer. Now you can see that it is very small. It's very light as well, and it works perfectly. It's so easy with moving it around your head and getting, you know, into all little different areas. It works so well, which means that it takes a shorter time to dry your hair, and it also means that you don't have to use as much heat. So that is really helpful with keeping your hair conditioned and keeping your hair nice and not heat damaged. Now this reduces static in your hair, which means that your hair doesn't get frizzy as you're drying, and it keeps your hair looking really nice and smooth once you've finished. So the first one you get is this diffuser nozzle. This concentrated nozzle, it's a large one, and you also get this other concentrated nozzle, and it's a smaller one. And depending on your hair type, you can just mix and match, you know, with a low heat setting, with a high blast, or low with a low blast, etc. You can mix and match, you can do anything. It's perfect for any different style depending on what you're trying to do with your hair. If you use the cold blast setting after you use the normal heat, it will set your hair in place, and it also feels nice on your head as well. So now I'm just going to use the hairdryer, and I'm going to use the diffuser to just accentuate the waves that I kind of have in my hair. So as you can see, I finished my hair. I straightened the ends of my hair just to make it look a little bit tidier, and I gave myself a tidier middle parting, and I also clipped the sides of my hair back. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really wish you all the best with your use with it, and I hope that you have a really good hair day. Bye bye!